Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Seek Joy, Not Sorrow, from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Seek joy, not sorrow. If you want to win the battle in your mind, seek forgiveness, don't seek revenge. For seeking revenge never brings inner peace and joy, as it only brings sorrow in the end. You create your own prison by feeling bitterness and resentment, and it only brought you sadness and misery. So do yourself a favor. Today, seek joy, not sorrow. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I believe that it's all in the mind. Revenge, when you want revenge, that's all ego, that's all the mind. I believe that if you lower your vibrations and you have faith and gratitude, and you know you are spirit, you are energy, whatever you want to call that, it's what we are. If you know all that, you won't want revenge. You'll feel sorry for the person that hurt you because you have so much love in you. You want them to have the same love because you know when they're doing something to hurt you, I believe it's their ego. It's not them. It's the ego, I believe. So that's why I believe that if you're in alignment, bring your vibrations down, you have love, gratitude, you would forgive them and you would hope and pray and send them love. You can send them love. We have energy. I believe if you focus enough, you can focus your energy like that. I believe. I've been reading a lot of Dr. Joe Dispenza's work and it's amazing. I suggest reading some of his books. It's amazing. The insights he can give. Like I say, I always say it. Follow love. I believe you'll be happy. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.